how to add multiple concurrent forces. So let's say we got a bunch of forces going on in this, they're all concurrent forces. How do we add these forces to find the resultant? The easiest way to do that is the resolve all the forces along x-axis and y-axis, and then what you can do is simply find the resultant of this using the Pythagorean formula. So this is going to be the resultant of these two. So you can do all the forces x component, summation of all the forces y component, and then you can do the square root of all summation of x whole square plus all summation of y whole square, like this. So in this example, so we can resolve this 200 pound in this direction. That's going to be 200 cosine 60 degree, and then the vertical component of that would be 200 sine 60 degree. So if you calculate this, I found this 173.21 pounds. This one would be 100 pounds. And then when you resolve this 300 to the x direction, there is nothing because it's 90 degree. You can write 300 cosine 90 degree, which is basically 0. So there is no component. So if you do all summation of x, you find total we have 100 pounds plus 400 pounds. So that's all my summation of x, which is 500 pound. And then summation of y, I have this 300, which is a negative force going downward. And then I have 173 going upwards. So if you sum the summation of y, that becomes minus 300 plus 173. So we get 126.79. Now, if you add them, the total resultant, simply summation of fx whole square. So using the Pythagorean theorem, fy squared. So if you do 500 square plus 126.79, there's going to be a minus here. Whole square is square root. I have found 516 pound force, resultant force. Now force is not just the magnitude, it's a vector quantity, so you have to find the theta as well. So this theta, simply you can do summation of tan inverse summation of fy divided by summation of fx. So that becomes then, if you do the calculation correctly, that's going to be minus 126.79, the y component. The x component is 500. So then I have calculated this is equal to, so theta I found minus 14.23. So it's going to act approximately in this direction. That's the total resultant of these three force at 14.23 degree with the x-axis negative angle.